Hi guys, so we have this amazing milk frother here. The black one is the one I'm going to show you, but we have all these incredible colors. Like literally, who wouldn't want to get one of these? I don't even know. But they're super fun and exciting. So I'm going to tell you how to get the best froth of your life. Now, if you want to have super frothy, like amazing frothy coffees in the morning with like amazing frothy milk, then I would suggest using fat-free milk. If you don't really care and you want to just use the kind of milk that you like to use, because everybody likes the different kinds of milk. There's almond milk, there's cashew milk, there's oat milk, there's half and half, there's whole milk, there's, you know, heavy milk, heavy whipping cream. Like so many different people use so many different things. Even bulletproof coffee people use butter, you know? Like there's so many different preferences. But right now I'm just going to show you the fat-free milk kind, okay? So as you can see, it's a very little amount right there at the bottom. And it's going to blow your mind. Just watch this. Up and down a few times here. Look how fast this is getting all frothy like that. Now, honestly, we'll do this pretty much with any kind of milk that you use. Sometimes, depending on the kind of milk and the brand of milk that you purchase, it may take 5 or 10 seconds longer, but pretty much it's all going to froth pretty well. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. You can see all that froth there. Anyways, that's the kind of froth that this amazing frother will give you. And you do not have to be discouraged because we have a lifetime warranty on all of our products. So if for any reason you get it and you're like, I don't really know if I like this, then you can be like, you can just contact us. support@zulay.net. We got your back. We have a lifetime warranty. So you have nothing to lose. Go ahead and get any color that you like. We have so many different colors. Look at this. And we even have a fun, amazing Christmas one. Look at that. I can't even stand it. It's one of my favorites. So it's super cute. My kids love it. Even my daughter loves this frother. So if you have any questions, you know you can reach out to us. Thanks so much. Have a beautiful day.